Ever wondered how essential predictive maintenance is in industries today? It's like the unsung hero of the industrial world. Predictive maintenance plays a critical role in preventing equipment breakdowns, reducing downtime, and ultimately, saving costs. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you exactly when your machinery is going to need a little TLC. You see, traditional maintenance methods are reactive, waiting for something to break before fixing it. This approach can lead to unexpected equipment failure and costly repairs. Imagine you're in the middle of an important production run and your machinery decides to throw a tantrum. Not ideal, right? But predictive maintenance changes the game. It allows for timely intervention, preventing failures before they occur. It's like having a personal physician for your machinery, making sure it's always in top shape, ready to deliver peak performance. So, predictive maintenance clearly holds the key to efficient and cost-effective operations. But how can we make it even better? Enter the realm of AI-powered predictive maintenance. Imagine having a crystal ball that not only sees into the future of your machinery, but also uncovers hidden patterns, potential failures, and even recommends preventive measures. That's the power of artificial intelligence in predictive maintenance. It's like having a super brain that can process and analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, all simultaneously and in real time. This super brain can identify patterns that might go unnoticed by the human eye. It can predict potential machine failures and provide alerts so you can take preventive measures. This isn't just about preventing breakdowns before they happen. It's about making maintenance more efficient, optimizing resource allocation, and saving time and money. The result? More accurate predictions, reduced downtime, and a smoother operation overall. Now, this may sound theoretical, so how about we delve into a real-life example of AI-powered predictive maintenance in action? Consider the case of Company X, a global manufacturer that successfully implemented